Mm-hmm.
Action. Okay, so today we will be making one of these paper aircrafts. It flies amazingly well and far. First, you take an ordinary sheet of printer paper, fold it in half, lengthwise, and then fold it just like a standard airplane. It works better with kind of squared off. And keep going standard-wise. Until you get to here. When you get to here, fold this nose down to about here. Fold it this way. And then fold it diagonally from the nose. Flip it over into the same. And to create better lift, fold it up. Then you fold these wings out and these side wings up. Let's see how it flies. Oh, that was a good throw.